All right, quick tutorial on how we are going to take a bunch of documents and turn them into a PDF. I'm going to be using a 2020 edition of Photoshop and also the free one, photopea, which I think is awesome. So anytime we don't have to use Adobe, that's a good time. So this is pretty easy. So I'm going to just go up here. I'm going to take a bunch of these records here and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to pull them all into Photoshop at the same time. Now it's going to load up. And then I'm going to go up here to File. It's real easy. It's just a couple of steps. Automate. And then it says right there, PDF presentation. We click on that. Then you got this window here. Add open files. Yes. Those are the open files right there. Multi-page document. I'm going to hit Save. We're going to come up over here. We're going to title it Records PDF. And I'm going to put it right there where I got all the other records. Multi-page document. It's a PDF. I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to save it. You can check your quality here. Smallest file size or high quality. I'm going to just hit PDF there. And that's it. Bada boom, bada bing. We go down here. We got the PDF right there. And so we can go to that easy. Also, for free, which I think Photopea is amazing. I love this, that we finally have a free version of Photoshop that actually works, that isn't GIMP. We're basically going to do the same thing over here. We're going to highlight some of the records. I'm going to drag it in. It's going to load it up. And it's really the same thing. We just come down here. We go to Automate, PDF presentation, and bada boom, bada bing. That's how you do it.
Now go home and get your fucking shine box.